What's going on, everybody? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. As y'all can see, we finna do some more forward action. We got a 04 Mach 1 Mustang. See, it's got a little Terminator Cobra bumper, but hey, this is gonna be an interesting ride along. Check it out. All right, everybody, I'm finna introduce you to somebody that I've known for a couple years now. He's a real cool guy. His name is Quentin.
How's it going?
Yep, my guy Quentin. This is his Mach 1. Quentin, I want to ask you a few questions, man. Tell me a little bit about your Mach 1 and what got you into liking Ford Mustangs.
Oh man, so what got me into liking them is I always liked the shaker hood on the Mach 1s from back in the day, and so I always really just wanted one. About 5 years ago, figured might as well, bought one. Since then, cams, headers, full exhaust, built bottom end, port and polished heads, and 300 shot of nitrous.
Oh shoot, we got some goodies underneath there. It's gonna be something crazy going on, but hey, I'm looking forward to this ride along. I do appreciate you letting me do this.
But now you're not going to get Commodores because they shut it down.
All right, Quentin, I appreciate you giving me a ride in your Mach 1, man. This is a badass Mustangs. I'll just be honest, I'm not biased against Mustangs. I know Mustangs are my go-to car. I like Corvettes, but I do respect Mustangs because this been Ford's most of the cars since what, 64 and a half.
Yeah. It's
been around over what, 50-some years. So this is all what Ford knows, and it's crazy. They've been using a live axle for a long time, all the way until 2015 with the S550 platform. And I know this platform you had was that SN95.
Yeah, SN95.
That been out since what, the early 90s.
It's still technically the Fox platform, so 79.
Okay, yeah. But still.
If
this car rips, especially you know how to drive a manual transmission car like it's nothing, and you got a 5-speed, so golly, this car rips, man.
Yeah, it does pretty good.
Absolutely.
You should feel it on the bottle. It's a whole nother animal.
Oh, I bet. It sounds so good. It sounds really good, and it pops. 5-speed manual transmission, 3 pedals the way to go, especially in a Ford Mustang Mach 1. Such a badass car. Hey, Quentin, hey, I do appreciate the ride along. Hey, I had a really good time, and your Mach 1 is badass, man. And then the way you got your exhaust set up. Matter of fact, tell me about your exhaust setup. I see it said U-Power, the tip.
Well, that's just a cheap tip off of Amazon until I get some stuff from SpinTech.
Okay, but I just like how you routed it. It looked like, you know, some old school.
I wanted it out the side. The trying to think what year Roush Mustangs, they had it out the side. I saw that. There's one in town actually.
Oh.
I saw that and I was like, damn, that's cool. I really want that. So yeah. So I did it. I'm gonna have different mufflers coming from SpinTech.
Yeah.
And then I'll have their tips, and so it'll look a little nicer.
Like I said, that's sweet how you got it set up. But all right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.